Hi friends, today we are making no-cook Lebanese Fattoush, the salad that turns simple raw vegetables into something bright, crunchy, lemony, and completely craveable. It serves 4 people and takes about 25 minutes, with no stove and no oven, just fresh chopping, a bold sumac dressing, and pita crunch right at the end. Let us walk through the ingredients, starting with 2 romaine hearts, the crisp base that makes this fattoush feel fresh and generous. 4 Persian cucumbers bring cool crunch and stay firm even after the dressing hits the salad. 2 cups chopped tomatoes add juiciness, sweetness, and that classic Lebanese salad color. 6 radishes give a peppery bite and beautiful pink edges through the bowl. 3 green onions add a gentle onion flavor without overpowering the herbs. 1/2 cup fresh mint leaves makes the salad taste cool, fragrant, and unmistakably Lebanese. 1/2 cup flat leaf parsley leaves gives the fattoush its grassy brightness and fresh finish. 1 1/2 cups pita chips provide the crunch, so choose sturdy pieces that will not disappear immediately in the dressing. 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice is the sharp, sunny backbone of the dressing. 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil rounds out the lemon and helps the spices coat every leaf. 1 tablespoon pomegranate molasses adds sweet tart depth, the little secret that makes the dressing taste restaurant-worthy. 2 teaspoons ground sumac bring tangy berry-like flavor and a signature burgundy color. 1 small garlic clove gives the dressing a savory edge, and a small clove keeps it balanced. 1/2 teaspoon fine sea salt wakes up the vegetables and helps the garlic melt into the dressing. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper adds a quiet warmth in the background. Begin the preparation by washing and drying 2 romaine hearts very well, because dry leaves hold the dressing without turning watery. Now that the romaine is dry, chop the 2 romaine hearts into bite-sized pieces and place them in the large white mixing bowl. Slice 4 Persian cucumbers into half moons, keeping the pieces thin enough to catch dressing but thick enough to stay crunchy, then add them to the bowl. Add 2 cups chopped tomatoes to the romaine and cucumbers, including the juices because they mingle beautifully with the lemon dressing. Thinly slice 6 radishes and scatter them into the bowl so every serving gets a little peppery crunch. Slice 3 green onions, then add them to the salad for a gentle savory lift. Roughly chop 1/2 cup fresh mint leaves and 1/2 cup flat leaf parsley leaves, then sprinkle both herbs over the vegetables. For the dressing, finely mince 1 small garlic clove and place it in the clear dressing bowl with 1/2 teaspoon fine sea salt. Use the back of a spoon to press the garlic and salt together for about 30 seconds, making a quick paste that flavors the dressing evenly. Add 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon pomegranate molasses, 2 teaspoons ground sumac, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper to the garlic paste. Whisk those dressing ingredients together until the pomegranate molasses loosens and the sumac tints the liquid a deep rosy color. Slowly pour in 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil while whisking, until the dressing looks glossy and lightly thickened. Pour half of the dressing over the vegetables first, then toss gently so the romaine, cucumbers, tomatoes, radishes, green onions, mint, and parsley are lightly coated. Let the dressed vegetables sit for 5 minutes, just long enough for the flavors to meet while the salad still stays crisp. Right before serving, add 1 1/2 cups pita chips and pour in the remaining dressing so the crunchy pieces get flavor without becoming soggy. Fold everything together with broad, gentle motions for about 30 seconds, then stop while the pita is still crisp. That closes our no-cook Lebanese Fattoush. And there it is, a bright Lebanese Fattoush that delivers exactly what we promised: crisp vegetables, lemony sumac, sweet tart pomegranate molasses, and crunchy pita in every bite. Serve it right away so the pita stays lively, either as a light lunch or beside grilled meats, falafel, or hummus. If you enjoyed this fresh no-cook recipe, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy recipes.